913 clear from taxi Charlie and Delta. Thank you, ma'am.
Good day.
Sri Lankan 314 on Foxtrot approaching Delta.
Sri Lankan 315, Lumpur Tower, good afternoon. Continue taxi holding point Charlie 11 via Delta 1 Charlie.
Continue taxi holding point Charlie 11 via Delta 1 Charlie, Sri Lankan 315. Sri Lankan 315, request Charlie 9 departure.
Sri Lankan 315, request Charlie 9.
Request Charlie 9, Sri Lankan 315.
Good. Express 913, ready.
Way 3 to left via Charlie 11.
Confirm line up 3 to left Charlie 11. That's Express 913.
NAS Express 913, affirm sir.
Line up 3 to left Charlie 11. That's Express 913. Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, engine 774, good evening, approaching Delta.
Malaysia 744, Lumpur Tower, good evening. Taxi holding point Charlie 9 via Delta 11.
Charlie 9 via Delta 11, Malaysia 774. Now Sri Lankan 315, request Charlie 11.
Sri Lanka 315, request Charlie 11.
Request Charlie 11, Sri Lankan 315.
NAS Express 913, departure frequency 135.25, runway 3 to left, clear for takeoff.
Departure frequency 135, decimal 253 to left, clear for takeoff. That's Express 913, good day, ma'am.
Good day.